Nasa MMS Zamboanga. Number 81. Inside, almost stolen. Number 11, driving, layup is good for number 11. MMS. MHS has the ball possession for 3. No good. Rebounded by out of bounds. Shot clock. Stolen by MMS. Inside, block. MHS has the ball now. Looking for a Robin teammate. Driving straight to the basket. Foul. First foul. Second free throw missed. And has the ball now. Number 14. Carrying the ball. Stolen by MHS. Pass break opportunity. Number 1. Stolen again by number 81. Foul. Inbounding the ball. MMS has the ball now. Number 14 inside. Bump. Spins. Stolen. No. Looking for the teammate. Number 14 has the ball now. 7 seconds in the shot clock. Number 81. Floater is no good. Rebounded by MHS. Driving, layup, block. MMS now has the ball. Fakes, layup, no good. Follow up, good for number 14. MBHS has the ball possession. Number 26. 24. They are taking their time. Outside, intercepted. MBHS inbounding the ball. 19. Kick out. Floater, no good. But they still have the rebound. Foul. And 1. MMS, number 14 to number 11, looking for an opening. To number 81, setting up a screen, almost stolen to finish. Oh no, they get it back. Number 81 to number 11, is good. And number 14. Lost the ball. Setting up a play. Number 14 to number 37 for floater. Bounces, misses. Rebounded by MBHS. To number 1, back to number 26. To the wing, number 24. Spins, double spin. Floater, no good. They still have the ball possession. Tapping on the line. Number 81, what will he do? Pass to number 11. To the wing. 24. Inside the basket. MMS to number 81 for floater is good for number 81.
Good job, Chip!
MBHS carry, dribbling, setting up a play to number 1.
Number 1, sumalaksak, sablay, nakuha ni number 14. Number 14 dumidiretso dito. Steal by number 24. Number 24, sumalaksak, pinasa.
MMS carrying the ball, number 11. Double team, stolen by MBHS for another layup. Made it. Full court press. Number 81 carrying the ball, almost stolen. To number 11. To number 81 for a floater. Good. MBHS now has the ball. Starting the play. Intercepted. But they still have the ball possession. Driving down the lane. Floater. Spins. It's good. Number 27 has the ball now. To number 15. The wing, number 81. Floater. Misses. Rebounded by MBHS. Number 24, carrying the ball. Straight to the basket. Bounce. Foul. Offensive foul. His second personal foul. MMS has the ball now. Number 81. Inside the basket. Floater. No good. They still have the rebound. Foul. 2 free throws. They are warning for penalty.
Good job.
Taker is good. Time check, 3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in our first quarter. MMS 14, Ben, number 24. 3 points. MMS has the ball now. Number 15. To number 0. Inside the basket, layup is good. Nice save by number 0. 24 for the layup. 37. 24. 40. Ben for his second 3-point shot. GG nets in number 24. MMS, number 81, set up a screen, almost intercepted. Number 27 for the layup and for the floater is good. Number 11, under the basket. Reverse layup, no good. Rebounded by MMS. Number 11 has the ball now. Number 81, layup, misses. MBHS has the ball now. Number 11 carrying the ball. Still good. Number 24 has the ball now. Kick out. Number 26 for the mid-range shots, no good. Rebounded by number 0. Intercepted. But they regain the ball possession. Number 81 has the ball now. Full court press. Number 27, mid-range. Good. Nag-iinip na rin si number 27. Our score, 18-14 in favor of MMS. MBHS has the ball now. 24 for another 3. No good. But they still have the ball possession for another 3. No good. Who has the ball possession now? Number 81. What will they do? Fakes. Floater. Misses. Number 19 has the ball now. MBHS. Drive, kick out, number 24, spins. Turnover. MMS. Intercepted, stolen by number 24. The number 26, mid-range, no good. Rebounded by number 11. Time remaining, 44 seconds. Number 11, layup. Good. 24 out the ball now for MBHS. For another 3, will make it air ball. Fighting for the rebound, number 11 has the ball. Spin, layup, foul.
Grabe multi yan mo.
iPhone
color blue po, naiwan sa may registration.
Paging.
Here na lang sa may committee.
Free throw, misses. Rebounded by number 5. 20 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Number 22 has the ball now. What will MMS do? To number 15 for an open three. Bang!
Mainit-init pa yun, Jack!
5 seconds remaining. Number 1 for three. No good. And that's the end of our first quarter. Our score 23-15 in favor of Miraculous Medals.